Bridge police have arrested two men who were found in possession of a firearm on Monday while attempting to gain access to a groundbreaking ceremony officiated by President Emerson Mnangagwa. Sanapenda mashoko okuda panapa chinzi aiwa vakomana voda kuambusha mutungamiri wenyika zvashamisa vanhu. Sanapenda mashoko anobuda achitaurwa panapa nyonyugwa panapa ndokapepa ndoti bwa subscribe like or turn the bell icon. Tipina panapa muna mubani kwa mchinzi. The arrest occurred at a security checkpoint just a few hundred meters from the venue, where Mnangagwa alongside his deputy Constantino Chiwenga and Kembo Mohadi were leading a high-profile event attended by approximately 1,000 people. In quotes, "We're investigating such a case. Our criminal investigation department is holding some men in connection with that offense. And that is all I can say for now," Bridge Police District Commander, Chief Superintendent Melisuli Ngube confirmed. The incident has heightened concerns over Mnangagwa's security, especially in the wake of increasing tensions within ZANU-PF and reports of military activity in the capital. Last week, Harare residents witnessed the unusual sight of army tanks rolling through the city's streets, sparking speculation about internal power struggles within the ruling party and potential threats to Mnangagwa's hold on power. The presence of military hardware in Harare immediately drew comparisons to the events leading to the 2017 coup that toppled former President R.J. Mugabe. While government said the tanks were on routine drills, sources within the sector suggest it may have been a show of force amid growing discord within ZANU-PF. But President Constantino Chiwenga, a former army general, has been at the center of the speculation regarding the internal factionalism, with some political analysts suggesting he still enjoys strong backing from elements within the military. The sighting of tanks has only fueled suspicions that Mnangagwa's grip on power is increasingly being challenged from within. Thomas Kwanamudanyaro panapa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Abvina comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu, sono subscribe or like, chino turn the